Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Vauxhall Corsa. Now of course you get your LED corner lights as your daytime running lights. Other than that you have your halogen headlights and fog lights. We've then got these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear, it is on a 67, so it is a later 17 model. Inside the boot now, we have plenty of room in here, including your completely flat folding rear bench, which is a single folding bench. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with your Isofix mounting point to the bottom. You've got wind-up windows in the rear, electric windows in the front, and then coming inside, we then have your 5-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning controls down in the middle. Then we also have your touchscreen display with your various audio sources along the bottom. You've got Bluetooth hands-free within here as well. And then of course you do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here as well, I think. Then we've got your city mode, heated steering wheel, 2 front heated seats. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control settings and speed limiter on the left. Over to the right, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free sources and your volume. Your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, as you can see just there. Then over to the right, we have your windscreen wiper controls. This Corsa has done 43,134 miles, but jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.